Let's see, a shootout in a Target parking lot. Just don't let this happen to you. And the second one is another mall parking lot shootout. Take a look at this.
An online marketplace sale gone wrong. It was in this Target parking lot where Mount Juliet police say a Smyrna man along with his wife drove to sell a firearm. But things took a turn for the worse when they met the alleged buyer.
While the husband, an adult male, was outside of his vehicle meeting the person to sell this firearm, he was ambushed by another person who began to shoot at him.
Police say the seller grabbed a gun, firing back at the suspects, who then took off in an SUV. That car later recovered in Nashville.
I was honestly shocked. I mean, this is a very nice area. I mean, we don't live here, but we come here all the time.
Saturday afternoon, Jeff Tedford and his wife Annette were out for a Veterans Day meal at the nearby Red Robin, where a bullet from the shootout pierced a window.
Typically, it's a pretty safe area for us to come down and do shopping. So, yeah, and to come from Red Robin, come over here to eat, we just ate there. It was pretty shocking.
Tonight, Mount Juliet police tell News 2, although private gun sales are legal in Tennessee, online marketplace meetups are becoming more and more dangerous.
Hey people, be smart.
Stores inside the mall then went on a brief lockdown.
They heard that there was like a shooter, so we got locked in the back. They took us all the way in the back, locked us up there, and nothing for 20-30 minutes.
Tacoma police say 2 groups of people exchanged gunfire in the parking lot of the Tacoma Mall, then took off in cars. While shots fired were outside, Monica Gasper was trying to stay calm and keep her 3 kids safe inside.
We hear about it all over the news, but then when it's going on in your city, it feels kind of, it's reality hits.
This is now the 4th shooting at the mall in less.
Are these stories coming on the news? But we're also having people come into our gun shop and they're saying, hey, we went to do a gun deal. We felt it was shady. We felt it wasn't a good place to be. I talked with somebody who went and did if you're from Tennessee or Middle Tennessee and you know where Antioch is, I have to question somebody's sanity if they're thinking about going and doing a gun deal in Antioch anywhere during the day, what have you. But just don't risk it. A guy comes in here to the shop, and he went and did a gun deal in the middle of the day, and he actually went with his dad. His dad stayed in the car, and before he knew it, they thought they were going to get ambushed. Jumped in the car. The other car rides, there were 2 of them. They sped away. They were going to do a gun deal in a parking lot. I can't imagine why, to save a few bucks, anybody would go do that this day and age. Look, I'm going to put a link below here. If you want to talk about consigning guns or you want to talk about a safe, effective way to do it, if you're here in Middle Tennessee, you can talk to us. But if not, probably the safest place to do a gun exchange is to go to the local police department or the local sheriff's department parking lot and do a trade there. And when you're talking with somebody on the phone, and you're trying to set up doing some kind of a trade, if they won't meet you at the sheriff's department or they won't meet you at the parking lot of the police department, it's probably somebody that you don't want to do a deal with anyway. I highly recommend, if you're wanting to sell guns, do it through a local dealer that can do it on consignment for you. We can do it on consignment for you. Again, I'm going to put the link down below. If you want to consign guns, we bring them in from all over the nation. We've sold hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of guns for people. We take 20%. We also, if we're going to bring them in, we do an appraisal for you as well, so you know what the gun appraises at. We have software where we can go check them and see what the value is. I can look for the last 2 years and see, if you're bringing us, a SIG P250, which is a horrible gun, but if you're bringing us one, I can tell you exactly what they sold for over the last 2 years. We can get a good value of the gun, a good baseline. Don't jeopardize your husband or your wife or your friend or your dad or somebody else in the family by going and doing a stupid deal in a Walmart or Target parking lot. It's just not a good idea this day and age. Be smart, be safe. I like what Black Scout says, stay frosty. Hey, please like and subscribe.